Neil, how do you see the cloud developing in the next 3 to 5 years?
Well, I think all indications from the market and clients that I speak to, and I spend most of my days speaking to CIOs of large enterprises, are that it's going to get more and more pervasive in all its forms. So whether that be software as a service, infrastructure as a service, or the kind of middle one of the two, platform as a service, the advantages that people perceive in terms of flexibility, lower cost, reliability, and just agility, will help in lowering operating costs and helping them deliver better services to their end users.
So you do think that the cloud can actually cut costs and at the same time increase security and reliability?
Yeah, definitely. I think everything that you can do with a normal traditional IT model, theoretically you can do with a cloud-based model. Really, it's just another delivery and consumption model of commercially available hardware and software as a service. So I think that the key differentiators are it's a much more flexible, much more granular consumption model. So you only have to purchase what you need when you need it, which should and does lead to lower costs. On the security side of things, every security feature that is available in other models is and theoretically will always be available in certain cloud-based models. And like anything, it's as reliable as you want it to be, with the right people, process, technology behind it.
Could you give us some examples, Neil, of how Savvis customers have themselves adopted the cloud?
Well, it's interesting. There's many different use cases so far. Some that we imagined and prepared for and marketed, and like anything, some that we'd never anticipated. We've been involved in doing utility computing and now cloud computing for getting on for 5 or 6 years, and initially we absolutely envisaged doing or providing compute power and storage power as a service on a multi-tenanted basis, with people checking in, checking out, as their needs developed and came along. What we've also found is one of the first big use cases for banks and governments and large organizations is private cloud. So they want the whole multi-tenant architecture, but for themselves, for their own internal use. And much as we'd like to think we did, we probably hadn't anticipated as much demand in that area as potentially we've seen in the first 12 or so months of commercially available virtual private data center products and services. So very, very different use cases, from low end test and dev requirements and needs, all the way up to high-end trading applications with bulletproof security and resiliency built in, that people are using different service levels and different models for.
Neil Cresswell of Savvis, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.